What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Tony's Boost Outlet. I got my greasy little Italian fingers on something quite rare. So let's take a closer look at this still in Stage 3 root style supercharger kit for 350Zs and G35s. Picture this. It's 1996, and today marks the end of the iconic 300ZX. Such a dynamic piece of automotive excellence that did just about everything you asked of it. Whether it's dominating time attacks or burning rubber on a drift course, the 300ZX would answer the call. But what would come next? Nissan has a reputation for producing some of the most iconic sports cars to ever touch the pavement. So how do we move forward? The Nissan 350Z. It's 2002, and Nissan's been cooking. The 350Z was the JDM answer to a worldwide problem. It was an instant success from the day of its release in Japan in July of 2002. Selling exactly 49,981 cars in its first year. Of those first nearly 50,000 cars, 36,728 were sold here in the US. It was beloved from the start. Aggressive styling, impressive track day capabilities, all in a relatively cost-effective package. It was just one thing it was lacking. One thing that we all like to call here in the United States,
I'm on power, baby! I'm on power, baby! Testify! I'm on...
Companies were quick to supply the demand, offering a variety of power adders like exhaust, intakes, and of course, boost applications. Turbo and centrifugal supercharger kits were among the most popular, but the still in root style supercharger kit just gives you that tickle in the sensitive places. You know what I'm saying? Starting with the head unit, this is an MP62 Magnuson supercharger. What makes this Stage 3 Stilling kit so special is the fact that it is an efficiently intercooled supercharger assembly. So efficient that it comes with a 7th external fuel injector. So as this supercharger begins to heat soak, it will spray additional fuel through the rotor pack to cool the internals of the blower. Speaking of fuel injectors, I'd like to take a second to thank our good friends at Fuel Injector Clinic. As you can see, the initial flow test shows an average of 263 cc's a minute with a 24.4% flow variance. After a deep cleaning, we were able to close that gap to an impressive 1.6% variance with an average of 308 cc's. All of this is done for your tuning convenience, but luckily, since this is a Stage 3 kit, it comes with a piggyback ECU. This is a simple wire-in ECU capable of running this supercharger kit without the hassle of dyno tuning. This kit also comes complete with all of the pulleys and hardware necessary to install the kit, as well as our coolant pump, reservoir, and hose lines to run this supercharger intercooler. I want to thank you guys for taking a moment and watching our video. If you guys are interested in picking yourself a turbo or supercharger assembly for any year, make, and model, be sure to head over to our Instagram and give me and Ricky a shout. We're happy to assist you with your boost applications, and you can find all of our products on our eBay storefront.